Hi guys, let's solve the problem. Read number n and digit d. So first you read your number n and digit d. The first number indicates how many numbers you are going to read in the loop, and then find the number which contains digit d the most. So we must find the number which contains digit 2 the most. So this number contains digit 2 one time, this number contains it 2 times, this number contains it 2 times, and this number doesn't contain it at all. So this number and this number contain digit 2 times. They are both the same, but out of them this number is bigger. So let's solve it. First of all, include IOStream, then using namespace std, and now first we are going to read number and digit. So let's create a variable n and c for cifra. So then you are going to read number and cifra, and now we are going to create a loop that runs this many times. So for int I is equal to 1 while it's smaller or equal to n I plus plus. So every time in this loop I will read some number x. Now I must go through all the digits of my number and check if it's equal to this digit. So while x is bigger than 0, you eliminate the last digit of your number, but before it you want to check if the last digit of your number is equal to c, the cifra that you have right here. If it is, you must check. Okay, so if it is, I will increase the counter by 1. So let's create a counter here, and for each number I will reset counter, because for each number you will start your counter from 0. And here, if it is equal to this, then you will increase your counter by 1. And now, after this loop, you will have some value for this variable counter, and you must check if counter bigger than what. Okay, so let's create a variable max count, which is 0 at the beginning, and if your counter is bigger than max count, then you will change the value of your max count with max, and it means that you found a new big counter. So in that case your maximum number will also become this number, but there's a problem, you made it 0. That's why let's create copy, and after reading the number you want to get the copy of your number x, and let's create a variable maximum number. So if the counter is the biggest counter so far, I'll change the value of max counter by counter, and your maximum number will be equal to copy. What if the counter is equal to max count and your copy is bigger than maximum number? So there may be a situation where the counters are the same, but your number is bigger than that. In that case, you only change the value of your maximum number, and that's it. So after the loop, you will print your maximum number. Let's save it. Let's run our code. So if you have 4 numbers and your digit is 2, and your numbers are 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, and 908. This is the result. Let's test it. Oh, we have a failure. So it's okay. It's okay. We didn't cover the case where if there's no number containing digit D, which means if this counter is still 0. So if the counter is still 0, then you want to print -1. Else, you want to print maximum number. Let's test it one more time. Oh, still we have it. So let's find our mistake. Okay. No, it must be max count. I'm sorry. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. If max count is still 0, then we do it. That's good. Have a nice day.